Guys, my name is Nashiz. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about a problem that I solved for a financial institution in my area. The name of the financial institution is Earth Bank, and they needed a software that could calculate loan payment for their customers in less than 10 seconds. So they came to me and asked me if I could do something to help reduce the workload on their credit department by creating maybe an app or a loan calculator that would be very effective. So I came up with this. So this is a loan calculator for the bank. I will talk about how I made it and what I used before we can go ahead and test it. First of all, I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create this simple loan app. And I'm going to be showing us the source code for the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript, talking about what they actually do for this app to be running the way it's running. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now to the source code. Okay, here are the source codes for the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript codes. So let's start with the HTML. The HTML actually holds the structure of the app. The HTML it creates the structure for the app. It creates what JavaScript uses to work. It creates what CSS uses to work. For instance, the HTML just outlines what the app is supposed to carry. The CSS actually says what it's supposed to carry, where it's supposed to be, the coloring, whatever it is. The CSS adds some beauty toward the HTML, to what the HTML gives. Would I say the CSS beautifies the structure that the HTML gives the app. The actual logic of the app, the calculation, the loan generation, the loan payment generation results is done by the JavaScript. It takes in the loan amount, the interest rate, the loan term, and then returns the results, the monthly payment, and also the total repayment. So we've talked about this. One thing I've come to realize is that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are very simple to use programming languages, or would I say programming tools, because they're not actually languages. So let's run the app and then carry out the test to see if the criteria the bank gave me, if I would meet it. That is to say, calculating a loan payment, monthly payment, in less than 10 seconds. Let's go right away. So I'm going to share my screen back to the app. So here is the app. Say a customer walked into the Earth Bank, like the name states, and then requests for a loan of about 10 million naira from the bank. Say that the bank's interest rate is 3.5 annually. And then this customer wants the loan to last for about, let's say, 24 months. So we say 24. So with all this input, we now calculate. Okay. So here is our result. We have the monthly payment to be 40,286 naira, 6 kobo. Then the total repayment for the next 24 months for the customer would be about 966,865 naira, 33 kobo. What I know is that this app has really made it possible for us to calculate the monthly payment in less than 10 seconds, which actually means that it meets the criteria. It solved the problem for the Earth Bank. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.